I'm Professor Touhid Bhuiyan from Washington University of Science and Technology. We all are familiar of artificial intelligence. We use ChatGPT, we know Gemini, we know Claude for our generative AI task. But now it's time to use AI for our task. No matter whatever the subjects we are studying, whatever the job we are doing, or whatever the business plan we are thinking, we need to take the help of Agentic AI, and the program, the INFINITY AI BUILDFEST, giving us that opportunity. So from Washington University of Science and Technology, we are coming for the program, and we hope all of you will join and learn how Agentic AI can help the humanity.